Alright, so today we're diving into some facts that honestly sound made up, but are totally real. Many people believe honey never spoils, and yeah, surprisingly, it's true. Archaeologists actually found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs, and get this, it was still edible. Its low moisture and high acidity make it naturally antibacterial. Some lakes can catch fire. No, it's not just a movie effect or anything. This happens when methane gas leaks into the water and eventually reaches the surface. In certain places in the United States and India, people have literally lit their tap water on fire. Plants can hear themselves being eaten. Like when a caterpillar chews on a leaf, the plant actually detects the vibrations. It responds by releasing bitter chemicals to defend itself. Pretty wild, right? There's a river beneath the sea, literally. In Mexico's Cenote Angelita, fresh water actually sits above denser saltwater, creating this flowing underwater river. It even has its own banks and, yeah, even mist. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, while trees only came about 350 million years ago. Imagine a world with fish, but no forests. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, berries have to come from one flower and have seeds inside the flesh. That actually makes bananas a true berry, but strawberries are, well, imposters. So get this, your stomach actually gets a brand new lining every 3 to 4 days. This is what stops it from, well, digesting itself with all that powerful stomach acid. Honestly, your body is kind of a self-renewing machine. Here's something wild. You can actually start a fire with ice. If you carve a clear block of ice into a lens, it can focus sunlight enough to ignite dry material. Nature, yeah, it's got some seriously unexpected survival tricks. Okay, this one's weird, but totally real. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. It's called cloacal respiration, and certain species use it when they're underwater for really long periods. Nature just keeps surprising us, doesn't it? Did you know wombat poop is cube-shaped? This clever design stops it from rolling away since wombats use their poop to mark their territory. Nature definitely has its own set of geometric quirks. Alright, let's get into some facts that honestly sound like total myths, but yet they're actually true. Ready for round 2? Let's go. Believe it or not, water can boil and freeze at the same time. This wild phenomenon is called the triple point, where the temperature and pressure are just right. It's actually used in science to define temperature standards. Now get this, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Scientists estimate there are about 100 billion galaxies, each with billions of stars. That's just beyond imagination. And the universe keeps expanding. And here's a fun one. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They slow their heart rate and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. Dolphins, on the other hand, usually manage around 10 minutes. The Eiffel Tower actually grows taller in summer. Because of heat expansion, it can grow up to 15 centimeters. Metal structures move more than you'd think, honestly. And yeah, Earth used to be purple. Some scientists believe ancient microbes used a purple pigment for photosynthesis. So, before plants turned it green, Earth may have looked totally different. So, lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times per day. That's 100 times every single second. Honestly, you're more likely to be struck by lightning than win the lottery. Wild, right? Now get this. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 of those hearts pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood uses copper instead of iron, which is what makes it blue. Here's something cool. A day on Venus is actually longer than its year. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete 1 rotation, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Yeah, time is truly relative. And believe it or not, the human body glows, just very faintly. We all emit bioluminescence, but it's like 1,000 times too weak for our eyes to see. So yeah, you're glowing right now. Okay, some people can actually hear their eyeballs move. It's called superior canal dehiscence syndrome. They can even hear their own heartbeat and footsteps, all from inside their head. Pretty strange, huh? Hey, get ready for some wild facts that honestly sound made up, but are totally true. Let's jump right in. So, your bones are actually stronger than steel by weight. Yeah, really. Just 1 cubic inch of bone can bear more weight than concrete. Basically, you're walking around with natural armor, which is pretty awesome if you think about it. Here's a weird one. An octopus can taste with its arms. Their suckers are packed with taste receptors, so every surface they touch is instantly analyzed. Imagine being able to taste everything you touch. Kind of wild, right? And believe it or not, space actually smells like seared steak and welding fumes. Astronauts report this aroma after spacewalks, thanks to ozone and metal exposure. So yeah, the universe has this smoky scent going on, which is just, like, super unexpected. Some people are actually allergic to water. It's extremely rare and, well, it's called aquagenic urticaria. Even tears or sweat can cause these really painful reactions. Whales, believe it or not, used to walk on land. Their ancestors had legs and lived near rivers. Over millions of years, they adapted fully to aquatic life. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Their feet help them test leaves for laying eggs. That's just nature's way of making sure baby caterpillars eat well. There's actually a planet made entirely of diamonds. It's called 55 Cancri E, and it's like twice the size of Earth. But yeah, it's about 40 light years away, so no diamond mining trips just yet. Here's something wild. A cockroach can live for weeks without its head. It doesn't die from the injury itself, but from starvation. Their decentralized nervous system just keeps them going, which is honestly kind of freaky. You actually can't burp in space. Without gravity, gas and liquids don't separate in your stomach the way they do on Earth. So astronauts have to be super careful with carbonated drinks. No space burps allowed. Did you know tomatoes have more genes than humans? The tomato genome has over 30,000 genes, while humans have about 20,000. So maybe veggies are a bit smarter than we give them credit for.